Okay guys, Brother Bart has done it again.
Hey everybody, how are y'all doing? Today we're making some hamburger steak, stuffed hamburger steak. We got some hamburger meat, got some bell peppers, and we got an onion. We are stuffing the hamburger with one slice of onion and bell peppers. And right now we're going to start crying while we chop up an onion. We got a little helper out here today. She's sitting over in the chair right now. But I'm sure when the hamburger meat shows up, she'll probably, I don't know, jump down and come try to help. Get off of there. And she's back in the chair.
She didn't smell no hamburger meat yet.
Try not to slice the finger. We don't need that kind of meat or blood mixed into the...
Or trip to the emergency room.
I don't do that. I just use duct tape. There's the onion. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll probably be enough. And we take the bell pepper out. I love bell peppers. They're so good. We'll cut the innards out. Not really the right knife to do this with, but we'll make it work. Pop. Wait a second.
Now you gonna chop or leave in a ring?
What's it look like? Looks like I'm leaving it in the ring. And we'll cut into our roll of hamburger meat. Got 2 5-pound rolls, which is probably going to be way more than we need, but that's all right. Wow, that one got away. Took off running. I don't know where it was going. Now we got the helper over here with the hamburger meat. Pretty big patty there. It might be a little bit too big. Let's take a little bit of that off. Flatten it out. Hello. What are you doing down there, girl?
Helping. He said I was a helper.
I don't know if y'all can see my little helper down here. She's down here just waiting for some food to hit the floor. Her name is Zoey. We had to leave the other two put up because they are not as
well behaved.
I think she just burped. There's no crackers, no breadcrumbs, no nothing in here. No kind of extenders. It's just straight hamburger meat. So we didn't need all this hamburger meat. We can put that up later for now. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm going to set this right here. And then what I'm going to do is take this whole slice of onion and bell pepper, and I'm going to compress it into the hamburger patty. Then I'm going to take another hamburger patty and stack it on top and smush it out a little bit more. And that's thick. That's thick. That's one. We'll see how this turns out. We don't know how this is going to work. Oops, runaway bell pepper. Lay that on top. Smash it down a little bit more. That's two. And we'll break out the good old Big Cock Ranch BS. That's what we're using. That's about the only thing I like to use. If it's meat, if it's beef, I like the BS. I think I can say BS on YouTube without getting bleeped. Pat it in, get it in the meat good. There's that. Here, y'all see that? That's that part. I'm just going to drizzle just a little bit of honey on these patties on each side. And we'll brush it all in, or around, or over it, or in it, or whatever you want to call it. And then we just brush it around. We don't we don't put just a whole bunch. It's just a little bit to give it a little bit of sweet flavor. And it worked out really well on the brisket, so I thought I'd try it on this. Over. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to cook these on the Traeger at 225 until they are done. Add a little bit more BS here. Patting my meat. It's my meat. I can pat it if I want to. I think I patted that one a little too hard. It fell apart. Oh well, put it back together. Then we drizzle some more honey. I like honey. Yep, that's honey. It's good. Spread that out on there. Spread that out on here. Spread that over here. Spread that out over here. Man, this is quick and easy here. Okay, now then, put these bad puppies on here. No, you're not a bad puppy.
No, you're good.
In. Smoked hamburger steak stuffed with onion and bell pepper. All right. Now then, make sure my little helper doesn't run off. We'll go put this on the grill. You stay here.
Traeger here, very careful, so nothing falls apart. Hopefully they'll stay together. Hopefully they'll cook together. And we won't have any breakage. We have no idea how long this is going to take, but we'll be back when we check it in probably, I don't know, a couple hours. See how it's doing. This was today's helper right here. You see Zoey, she was my helper. Yes, she's my little girl. Yeah. Okay, she's done. These burgers have been cooking for a while. They look done. We're going to go ahead and take them off and give one try. I almost got away. Look at there, look at there. I did flip them over about an hour or so ago. There we go.
All right, here we are. Taste test time. We're going to see how this worked.
They smell delicious.
Okay.
Delicious.
Let's see how this is. Oh yeah, that onion still got crunch.
Oh, but it's a thing of beauty. Oh my God, it really is a thing of beauty.
Here we go.
Y'all, this is low-key mother smoke. It's kind of hot.
That's pretty good. That's pretty daggum good.
Y'all. Oh my gosh. Hey, cameraman Doug. Here's your bite coming right
That was a
up.
winner.
Right now. Y'all, you gotta try this out. Onion, pepper,
Good way to make
stuffed.
hamburger steak. Stuffed with onion, bell pepper. All right. Now it's time to eat.
Yeah, winner.
Y'all come back next time.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.